powerful massive solar storm heading towards Earth at 1.6 million km/h may impact cell phone, GPS signals. A fierce solar storm is moving towards the Earth at a speed of 1.6 million km/h. It is feared that this storm may hit the Earth, due to which there may be a power failure around the world. If you like our videos, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for science updates. The storm has originated from the sun's atmosphere. A hole has opened up in the sun's atmosphere and is spewing a stream of solar wind in Earth's direction. Direct effect on radio signals. With all the chaos happening in the world, we will have to face a solar storm as well this weekend. As per the experts, a geomagnetic storm is expected to hit the Earth's atmosphere this weekend, and weather forecasters have been asked to issue warnings. According to a report, this storm is a result of solar winds traveling at a speed of 1,000,000 miles an hour and is expected to hit the Earth. There is a hole that has opened up in the atmosphere of the sun, creating a stream of charged particles and high-speed solar winds. The storm is moving towards the direction of the Earth and is expected to batter parts of the planet. Experts fear that the strong winds may trigger a geomagnetic storm in Earth's magnetosphere, which includes the upper reaches of Earth and space, and this may cause the emergence of visually pleasing auroras in north and south latitudinous regions. The Earth's magnetosphere is created by our magnetic field and protects us from most of the particles the sun emits. When a CME or high-speed stream arrives at Earth, it buffets the magnetosphere. If the arriving solar magnetic field is directed southward, it interacts strongly with the oppositely oriented magnetic field of the Earth. The Earth's magnetic field is then peeled open, like an onion, allowing energetic solar wind particles to stream down the field lines to hit the atmosphere over the poles. At the Earth's surface, a magnetic storm is seen as a rapid drop in the Earth's magnetic field strength. This decrease lasts about 6 to 12 hours, after which the magnetic field gradually recovers over a period of several days. Modern society depends on a variety of technologies susceptible to the extremes of space weather. Strong electrical currents driven along the Earth's surface during auroral events disrupt electric power grids and contribute to the corrosion of oil and gas pipelines. Changes in the ionosphere during geomagnetic storms interfere with high-frequency radio communications and global positioning system (GPS) navigation. During polar cap absorption events caused by solar protons, radio communications can be compromised for commercial airliners on transpolar crossing routes. Exposure of spacecraft to energetic particles during solar energetic particle events and radiation belt enhancements cause temporary operational anomalies, damage critical electronics, degrade solar arrays, and blind optical systems such as imagers and star trackers. Within 30 minutes, the flares would reach Earth's magnetosphere and trigger a geomagnetic storm. The GPS system of airplanes would fail. The geomagnetic storm would then result in melting of our transformers, and the world would face a complete power outage. ATMs would stop working. I know Indians have suffered this during demonetization, but it would be at a global level. An accurate space weather forecasting system would also help maximize the life expectancy of satellites by giving us time to maneuver them to minimize damage to solar panels. But future satellites need to be designed so that instruments vulnerable to sudden increases in radiation are better protected. The SolarMax Consortium examined some quite far-out ways of doing this